Welcome back to the channel. Just because you have to be directive and decisive is not the same as being negative or aggressive. It means being task and time focused. Ever faced a moment where you had to be firm, but still win hearts and minds? Today, I'll show you how to master the directive communication style, a powerful approach for clear decisions, delivered with empathy. You are here not to justify your decision. You are here to focus on implementation. The decision has already been made. At the end of the video, you can screenshot the steps in more detail.
Step 1. Positive opening. Start strong, with warmth and confidence. Say, "Hello, it's nice to see you. Today we're here to talk about our project." Set a respectful tone before moving into the heart of the matter.
Step 2. Make your decision clear. State your decision. Do say that you analyze the situation, priorities, and facts carefully. After careful thought and consideration, I've decided. This shows authority, but also shows you've considered different perspectives.
Step 3. Listen to understand. Now listen. Really listen. Take notes. Reflect back what you've heard. This makes your team feel seen, even if the decision is final. What you hear in this step is where you will overcome objections or challenges. This is what you will target in your explanation and implementation steps.
Step 4. Acknowledge their perspective. Say, "If I understand correctly," then insert their concern here is important to you. I did consider that. This single sentence builds trust, even when there's disagreement. You may also discover important expertise, data, and blind spots.
Step 5. Targeted explanation. Communicate the why clearly. You can say, "Let me explain why this decision was made." Based on then insert the facts, data, and impact. This approach allows us to be successful with our project. I considered alternatives and chose this because. State your reasoning. This is why it works. It increases buy-in. People accept decisions better when they understand the rationale. Shows transparency, not just authority. Builds trust and reduces resistance.
Step 6. Remotivate and reconnect. Then ask, what can I do to support you during this task? It's not just about delivering decisions, it's about keeping people engaged. Get people mobilized. And finally, end with step 7. Wrap up with a smart action plan. Say, the first step in implementation is, keep it specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. What the implementation looks like, feels like, sounds like, and the expected impact, results, and benefits. Here are all the steps you need next time you need to be directive and decisive.
The directive style isn't about being bossy. It's about being clear, confident, and fair. Like this video, press like, subscribe, repost, and share. Let's keep building your influence and soft skills one video at a time. Thanks for watching.